Hi there, I'm Rhonda, and I help makers turn their digital designs into income. On my channel, you'll get quick tutorials, cool tools, and simple strategies to grow your digital product business. If you want daily AI prompts, trend tips, and a fun community that gets it, join us in our AI Profit Society. I left a link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And now, without any further delay, let's get into today's video. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create these really cool like cartoon style designs using ChatGPT and next to no prompting. Okay, you don't have to use any detailed prompts or anything like that to generate these cool cartoon designs for t-shirts or sublimation or other POD projects. Think greeting cards, stuff like that. So let's jump right into it and you'll see just how easy this is. All right. So here we are in ChatGPT. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on Sora up here. All right. And we're going to look through Sora. Now, we can use Sora, which is basically the gallery. We can use Midjourney's Explore. We can use Ideogram's gallery. We can use any gallery we want to, really. All right. So we're just going to open one of these and I'm going to look at this cute little Highland cow sitting in the palm of her hand. That could be a really funny or really cute t-shirt design. So I'm just going to grab that image. I just copied it and I'm going to paste it right in here to ChatGPT. And now all I'm going to do is tell ChatGPT what I want. Turn this image into a funny cartoon design suitable for POD or sublimation. Put it on a transparent background. That's it. That's all I'm going to do. And then we will give it a second and let it do its thing. Alrighty, and here we have the image that is just so adorable. Now, if you wanted to, you could ask ChatGPT to add a funny and cute saying to go with this design. Add the text at the top and the bottom. No, at the bottom in a fun font. All right, and now it will come up with a cute saying that goes with that design. And let's give it a second to see what it comes up with for us. Alrighty, so here we have the design with a little text under it. I'm just a little moody. That looks so cute because the cow is so little too. So that's how quickly we were able to take a regular image and turn it into a cartoon design for print on demand or sublimation. So let's grab another one. I'm going to use Midjourney's Explore this time. Like I said, it doesn't really matter. You can look through any of them and look around for images you like. And now here's the wolf. I really like this one. So I'm going to grab that and I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to paste that in. Now this time I'm not going to mention funny, okay? Turn this image into a detailed design suitable for POD or sublimation. Transparent background. And that's it. I just want it to give me a detailed design and we'll see what it comes up with. Alrighty, and this is the detailed design we got from that wolf, which is gorgeous. We can take this and use it the way it is. You could add some text to it. It's up to you. This is not cartoonish at all. It just really brought that wolf out a little bit. It's a completely different wolf, which is nice. You're not, uh, they didn't just remove the background from that. they created a new image for us, which is fantastic. Let's look in here again, see what else we might find. Um, we can do, here we go. How about this bunny? Let's do this one, paste that in. Okay, turn this image into a cartoon design suitable for POD or sublimation. Transparent background. And that's it. And let's let it do its thing again. Okay, here's the bunny now in cartoon, and you could change the uh, text here on the card he's holding if you wanted to. You could use it just the way it is. It's up to you. I just wanted to show you how quickly you can create these designs for print on demand or sublimation quickly, just using existing images that you find and not having to do really any prompting, no detailed prompting at all. You just tell ChatGPT what you want and it will do it. Um, let's take this cute little cat here. Let's do one more. One more. And pop that in and turn this image into a cute, no, let's do funny cartoon design suitable for POD and sublimation, transparent background, and let it do its thing. Okay, and here is the finished image, which came out really adorable. It has the peeking cat, the hearts, and it also added the text, "Let's party." So again, I just wanted to show you how you can make these fun cartoon designs for t-shirts, greeting cards, whatever you want to use them for, quickly and easily right inside ChatGPT, taking any image, even a even a picture you've taken. If you've taken a photo with your camera, you can upload it and use it, and turn it instantly into some fun cartoon designs. In fact, let me find an image really quickly that we can do that I took with my camera. Okay, I am just going to grab a photo here. It is an old photo just of my granddaughter years ago in Disney World. There we go. Okay, that's a cute one. So I'm going to say, turn this image into a funny cartoon design suitable for sublimation and POD. Transparent background. And let's see what it comes up with for us. So you can take, like I said, even personal images if you want to use them. It's up to you completely, but it's just a fun way to make designs without having to learn a lot of prompts to get these designs, and it's quick and easy. I mean, this video is under 10 minutes, and we have done already 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're working on our fifth one right now. Okay, and here is the cartoon it created from that picture, which is absolutely adorable. So have fun with this, guys. Make some designs and, don't stress over not being fantastic at prompting. You can do it without a lot of prompting using existing images that are already out there, and you can create some really adorable cartoon designs for whatever you want to use them for. Like I said, POD, t-shirt designs, tumblers, even you could make some personalized wall art, when using your own images. So have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.